Good morning, students. In the first chapter, we saw how the leaf is having various different structures in it and how it is helping in photosynthesis. Okay, we saw how we are dependent on the plants for our food. So, after that, we are going on to the next chapter, that is adaptation in plants. Okay, how the plants are adapted in the nature. Now, what is adaptation first of all? Adaptation is changing ourselves. Okay. Now, in this current situation, like see, we were going to school every day. But because of this coronavirus, we are not going out. And so what we have done is, we have started online schooling. Isn't it? So what we have done is, we have changed ourselves. Okay. This ability of changing, so as we do not lose anything, so as we do not get damaged because of that situation. So in order to continue your studying, what we have started is online schooling. Isn't it? So this is adaptation. We are changing ourselves. You are sitting at home and learning, and we are doing the teaching from our home itself. Okay, this ability of ourselves to change, okay, this is called adaptation. So what we have done is, we have adapted to the coronavirus situation. We have changed our life, but we do not want to miss anything, isn't it? We do not want to stop our studies because of it, and so we have adapted ourselves, we have changed ourselves. Okay, this is called adaptation. So now when you see in the nature, you see that plants are growing everywhere. Okay, you see plants in the desert regions as well as water, in the lakes, rivers also you see plants growing. You see plants growing on the mountains as well, isn't it? You also see plants in the icy regions, colder regions. So how the plants have adapted themselves, changed themselves, okay, so as they can survive easily in any situation. For example, when I say desert, okay, the plants there are different from the plants that we have here. Okay, the plants have changed themselves so that they can survive, they can live in that condition. Okay, so what we have done is adapted ourselves. Same thing, the animals, the plants also change themselves. Okay, and how they have changed is what we are learning in this chapter. So we are in this chapter are going to see that how plants grow in different areas or climatic conditions, and how they are different from the other plants. Okay, so first of all, in adaptations we see that plants change themselves. Okay, they change their body structures, they change their parts so as they can easily survive or live in the conditions. Now, first we are going to look about aquatic plants. Aquatic meaning the plants which live in water, the plants which grow in water are called as aquatic plants. So, all those plants which we see in the water bodies are called as aquatic. Okay, aqua means water. So aquatic means the plants growing in the water. Now in the aquatic plants there are different types again. Okay, how they are different, let's see, and why they are different. In the aquatic plants we are first going to learn about the emergent plants. Now, emergent plants are the plants somewhat similar to the plants on land. Only thing that they are in the water. How? In the emergent plants, the roots of the plants, they grow in the soil itself. Okay, below the water will be soil. So the roots of these emergent plants are in the soil, and the stem, the upper body shoot of the plant is above the water. So these emergent plants will be there where there is very less water. Okay, they are in the water, but the emergent plants, they don't grow inside the water. The plant body is visible above the water. Okay, above the surface of the water you will see its stem, leaves, flowers, everything. Okay, and the roots will be under the soil. So in between will be the water. Okay, this is the stem, these are the roots. So these roots are in the soil. Here it is water. This is all water. And above the water the plants start growing. So the water is very less. In the emergent plants, water will be very less. So in the emergent plants, the plants which we see are bulrush, cattail, arrowhead and sedge. These are the name of the plants, beta. So these plants are emergent plants. Why? Because they have their roots in the soil and in the shallow. Shallow meaning very less water. Okay, thoda sa. So the layer of the water will be very less in between. Their leaves and stem extend out of the surface of the water body that they are growing in. See, on page number 165 they have given you the pictures. So these are your emergent plants. See, very less water is there. Okay, the water is there but it is very less. The plant body is easily seen above the surface of the water. So these are called as emergent plants. Examples are moss, bulrush, sedge and arrowhead. Okay, those are emergent plants with very less water in there. Next we come to fixed plants.